Hi students, welcome to our channel Study Well. If you are watching the video for the first time, please subscribe. In this video, we are going to learn writing section. That is how to write a formal letter. What is the format of a formal letter and an example for a formal letter. Let's learn in detail. Formal letter. Business or official letters include letters of inquiry or asking for information, replying to letters received, placing orders and sending acknowledgement, and letters of complaint. According to the latest format, sender's address is written at the top along with PIN code. Don't write sender's name with the address. An example is given here. While writing the address, that is both sender's and receiver's address, one must not use comma at the end of each line. If the address is not provided in the question, then you may create a fictitious address, but writing an address is mandatory. Date. It appears directly below the sender's address after leaving one line space. It is advisable to always write the full date in the given format. Example is given here. 25th December 2021. Receiver's address. It appears directly below the date and comprises the receiver's name, designation, and the complete address. Example is given below. Subject. Subject is used in writing a formal letter. Is generally written after the receiver's address and should be short and to the point. For example, subject non-delivery of goods. Next is salutation. This consists of words of greeting and is written on the left hand side of the page just below the subject after leaving one line space. For example, sir or madam. Next is the body of the letter. The body is the main part of any letter. This is written in response to the topic given in simple and direct language. The body includes three main parts. Number 1. Introductory paragraph or sentence states the purpose of writing. Number 2. Informative paragraphs, details about the subject of the letter. Number 3. Concluding paragraph or sentence, the closure of the letter stating hope, request, or any other comment. So the content is divided into three paragraphs. They are introductory paragraph, informative paragraph, and concluding paragraph. Next is complimentary clause. It's a courteous way of ending the letter. The expression used must match the salutation. For example, yours sincerely or yours faithfully. Next is name. Name is written just below the complimentary clause and includes the sender's name and designation if applicable. Example is given below. Here is an example for formal letter. You had sent some books through Richard Courier Services Private Limited, New Delhi, to your brother living in Baroda. After a week, your brother reported that he had not received the books. The local office of the company doesn't have any satisfactory answer to your verbal complaint. and we are going to write a formal letter of complaint to the company. So write a letter to the managing director, Richard Courier Service Private Limited, at their head office in Nehru Palace, New Delhi, stating the facts and asking for immediate action. You are Kusum Singhal or Avinash Pandey of 180 Rajnath Nagar, New Delhi. When you write a formal letter, first send his address 180 Rajnath Nagar, New Delhi. After leaving one line space, write the date 4th September 2021. Then receiver's address. It indicates the designation of the receiver and the address of the company. The managing director, Richard Courier Service Private Limited, Nehru Palace, New Delhi. After leaving one line space, write the subject. Subject is non-delivery of courier packet. Next is salutation. Sir or Madam. After that, the first paragraph or introductory paragraph. This is to bring to a kind notice that I had sent some books to my brother living in Baroda via your consignment number 204 dated 27th August 2021. Next paragraph is a content. I regret to inform you that he has not received it yet. I approached your local office which sent the books to know the status, but in vain. The payment receipt number against which the packet was sent, it is RN 2340 dated 27th August 2021. Then conclusion or the last paragraph, third paragraph. Sir, the books are very expensive and needed urgently by my brother. You are requested to look into the matter and inform me about the status of the courier packet. An early response will be highly appreciated. After writing the conclusion, write subscription and signature. That is yours sincerely, Kusum Singhal. Signing off, name and designation if applicable. Thanks for watching. For more informative videos, do subscribe Study Well. Please like, share and comment. In the next video, I'll be uploading very important MCQs from formal letter.